Hello, Chef here with yet another beef recipe. What do we have here? This is a large beef pot roast, about 3.5 pounds. Now, today I have something special for you. I'm making beef barley soup. We soak the barley. Soak it at least an hour, longer if you like. A couple of tablespoons of barley will go for a whole pot of soup. Then, wow, we got a beef stock going. What do you need for beef stock? You gotta have beef bones. So here, I've got some stock scraps. We've got carrots, onion, celery, parsley, all kinds of scraps in here. And we've got several of beef bones in this pot. You can use beef shanks, you can use veal bones, whatever you want, but you're looking for really nice stock like this with a perfect light brown color, nice clarity, and after it simmers a few hours, we're going to taste it. Bay leaf goes in the pot. A few peppercorns. What do I have here? Black peppercorns, just a few. Goes right in the pot. Okay, we're going to put in some thyme. We're going to put in some parsley. We're going to put in a little bit of TLC, and I'll be back. A quick tasting. Oh yeah, it's really good. Of course it needs some salt. Chef here, so I'm moving to a different part of the kitchen that's a little cooler over here. Real quickly, do you know your squashes? If so, leave them in the comments. I got 2 really good squashes. By the way, both of these are available on the chef's videos. Just search, subscribe, and search right down here, and you'll be able to locate those recipes once you know what they are. Just check the comments. Someone's going to tell you what those squashes are. Yeah, I really like this one. It's cool. It's almost like a pasta. All right, so I got a better spot in the kitchen over here, and this is a big end grain butcher block. However, to raise my work height, sometimes I like to move a cutting board around, and that's exactly what I'm going to do now. So this one here is going to give me a little more space, a little more control, and I got this big chunk of meat. There we go. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this meat. And I'm making beef barley soup. So there's 2 things that I need. First of all, the butcher's cut-proof glove. Knives don't cut through here. And a really nice boning knife. Really sharp, nice knife. Nothing cuts through the glove. By the way, it's not dirty. It's a little stained from carrots. No worries. This one's made in the USA. Check your sponsor, they got these. Okay, so I want to break down the different muscle groups primarily to remove any silver skin and any fat. And with a little practice, you can do this pretty quickly. There you go, I've already got 2 pieces. This right here is tough as nails, so you want to remove that. Got to get down in there and get that silver skin out. It doesn't taste good, trust me. I've been doing this a long, long time. You want to remove the silver skin. Just like that. Almost got it out. For beef soup, most of this is going into the soup, but not this piece right here. This is like rubber bands. Okay? Okay, you want to remove some of the outer fat cap as well. A really good soup is not loaded with fat. A little fat is okay, so I'm going to leave a little bit on, but the majority of this, like this chunk right here, no. Use it for something else or discard it. Okay, real quickly, an example of the finished meat here. This is about a 1/2 inch dice, approximately. It's for soup. This is not rocket science, and I'm not cooking for the president today, so this is fine. Small pieces like this is all going in my soup. This is scrap. You can use it for something or put it in your stock or discard it, and this is good beef ready to be diced up for the soup. So you want to just cut it into some small pieces like this, and once you cut the strips, you're going to just divide them up for your soup. Okay, so the other day a fellow asked me, Chef, what do I need a larger chef knife like this for? I'm never going to use it. And I said, yes, you will. It's good for all kinds of things. So you compare the two of these. One is for boning out the meat, and the other one is for slicing, dicing. I'll work on my vegetables with this, everything. But this is faster to break this big piece down quickly. I'm going to cut this into a few slices like this. There we go. After I cut it down, I'm going to flatten it a little bit. I'm going to stack it back up and give it some slices. Okay, this is all ready for soup now. Looking really good. I'll be back. To finish beef stock, it went about all day long, looking really good. Stay tuned for part 2. Another butcher block video. Butcher block's one of my favorite surfaces to cut on. I love it. How do you know when a block is ready to be oiled? It's simple. This one was just oiled. It's beautiful. It's moist. It's wet. It's fresh looking. This one right here is about 10 years old, and it's dry. I'll show you comparatively the difference of them here. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion. Let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, you gotta have that. When you want to see more, share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Thank you for watching the presentation. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor.